There we're staring at the globe, Mall of Asia. But that's not what I'm here for. Well, kinda. Really what I'm here for is to have a little talk about something. Something on my mind, I guess you could say. Now, we all know retired expats in the Philippines, such as myself, you know, we should be expected to kind of embrace the culture that we've decided to be a part of. Engage with our brothers and sisters in our new country. And pretty much live the way Filipinos live for the most part, or at least try to experience that. But you know, every now and then you just got to satisfy the red, white, and blue appetite. And what I mean by that is something I'll show you here in a few minutes. But that's coming up. But for now, let's take a look at what's going on out in front of us here. Looks pretty nice. Oops. We'll get to that red, white, and blue appetite thing here in a minute. But for now, take a look at this. This is just coming upon the Mall of Asia right now. It's, sun just went down, and it's a beautiful evening to be out walking around. So okay, we'll catch up here in a few seconds.
Please be careful.
Okay.
So we do have sour cream, cheese blend, and pico de gallo, sir. And salad, sir. They have your feet open for the players.
Thank you very much.
Anything else?
That should do it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Those fish and chips look really good. Man, I got this thing loaded up.
It's like an American, huh? Look at me.
Look at that, guys, we did it. We put a beat down on this meal. You full? It's good enough?
Yes.
Okay, I don't want to hear you complaining like last time. Okay, just what you guys wanted to see, right? Me stuffing my face over there at Chili's. Very rarely do we get to eat like that, so when we get the chance to do so, we destroy. We destroy quickly. So, yeah, I polished off those fajitas and those are really damn good. And we're getting ready to do the same thing over here at Dairy Queen with a couple blizzards. So, and that'll be it after that. I'm gonna be freaking spent. So, hey, I want to say thank you for coming along and watching me become undisciplined at the dinner table. But like I said, we don't get to do this very often. So when we do it right. So with that being said, thanks again. Take care of yourselves, and we'll catch you again soon. All right, bye-bye.